Sexual abuse is a difficult topic for us to discuss. However, when we view it through a public health lens, we recognize that sexual abuse impacts us all. And having knowledge and understanding about who perpetrates sexual abuse and how we as individuals can help prevent sexual abuse helps empower us to move forward and maybe one day reach a day when there is no more sexual abuse. One of the important things is having knowledge about who commits sexual abuse and who may be more at risk for victimization. Research has clearly shown that vulnerable populations are at increased risk, such as our LGBTQI, immigrant, Native, similar populations tend to be at higher risk for sexual violence. An important piece to also recognize and know is that the majority of sexual abuse is perpetrated or committed by someone known to the victim. And research has shown that 90 to 95% of sexual abuse perpetrated against children is committed by someone whom that child knew. So this concept of stranger danger is actually not true because the majority of sexual abuse is perpetrated by someone known to the individual. So for children, what that means is those who are committing sexual abuse are our brothers, our sisters, our mothers, our fathers, our neighbors, our religious leaders, our teachers, our other professionals we work with, our neighbors, members of our community. So this concept of individuals who cause sexual harm being other or strangers is actually not true. It is also true that the majority of sexual abuse perpetrated against adults and adolescents is committed by someone known to that person. It's a little bit lower than children. There is a higher rate of stranger perpetrated sexual violence with adults and adolescents, but you're still looking at approximately 70-75% of sexual violence, sexual harm caused and perpetrated towards adults and adolescents is being perpetrated, committed by someone known to that individual. So when we look at the prevention of sexual abuse, all of us can contribute to prevention by recognizing the importance of boundaries and understanding the knowledge about who perpetrates sexual harm. So having an awareness that simple things like requesting your children do not have to hug or be touched by adults, that's a prevention strategy we as caregivers and parents can do with our children. It teaches them body autonomy. If you're interested about learning more about how you as an individual can prevent sexual abuse or learn more about who perpetrates sexual abuse, I would encourage you to visit and explore the links provided below. Thank you.